Good day. A couple of months ago, almost it's beginning to be more like 3 months ago. Anyways, I ordered this the flange. I need this piece of metal to make the exhaust from the turbo. I ordered this flange from eBay. It's from China, so never know when it's gonna show up. And now I'm kind of tired of waiting, so I figured why not try to make my own. So the plan is to use 3-inch pipe, make a flange, weld some pipe, probably about to here, weld on V-band, and then use some bands and stuff to make the rest of the exhaust. It's not gonna be a down pipe, it's gonna be up pipe. It's gonna be through the hood, the bonnet. Let's try to make this. So we're gonna make a flange out of this. Well, I've started on flange. Is it called a flange? I don't know. So, I don't know if you can see the red line. The red line is where it should be cut. I can start like marking up the exhaust. So it's gonna be 3-inch pipe, something like this, and I cut one out with a slight angle, so it's gonna sit about here. The reason I got the angle is because the V-band clamp is touching manifold. So just put a weld. This is just for fun, just to see how the exhaust is gonna sit. An idea of how it's gonna sit. I'll cut out the inside, welded on pipe, and welded V-band. I'm not sure if this is the setup, this is the flange, this is how it's gonna be. It's not that difficult to change it if I want to. see. So the exhaust. So the exhaust is not going to be able. It's not going to be enough room for the exhaust to come up here. No, I could make it so it's going around this way underneath the strut tower bar and over the engine and the coils, but it's not the best solution. The plan is to find out where I am going to cut. I think it's going to be about there, maybe to here. Cut away this part, at least this part, so the exhaust can come up, and cut this thing. I think the intake pipe to the turbo is going to be fine, but this needs to be cut.